Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a WhatsApp button to your Instagram profile so people can message you directly with just one tap. Follow along step by step and you'll have it set up in no time. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom to go to your profile. Then tap Edit Profile. Right now, you'll notice there's no WhatsApp button there yet. To fix that, tap the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. Scroll down a little, then tap on Account Type and Tools. Here's the key step. You need to switch your account to a professional account. Tap on Switch to Professional Account at the top, then tap Next at the bottom. Here, pick your category. Next, select the type of professional account you want, creator or business, and complete the setup. Once that's done, go back to your profile, then tap Edit Profile. You should now see a Contact option. Tap Contact, then choose WhatsApp Business Phone Number. Enter your business WhatsApp number here. If there's already a number, you can replace it with a new one. Make sure it's correct, then send the verification code to WhatsApp. Once you receive the code, enter it to verify your number. After verification, your number will be added successfully. Now go back to your profile and check for the WhatsApp button. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Tap Edit Profile, scroll to Profile Display Options, and make sure Display Contact Info is turned on. Then tap Done and return to your profile. And there it is. The WhatsApp button should now appear right next to your profile, making your account look more professional and easier for people to reach you. That's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.